Ukraine's drone army is massive and works with everything from larger payloads or smaller as seen here. While the payload is minimal doesn't mean the result can't be valuable, as seen when a high explosive dual-purpose grenade is dropped on a Ural supply truck, landing perfectly over the driver's seat, letting a person from the passenger seat to flee out after the hit. Letting a cheap drone with minimal payload to damage and stop a supply truck, wearing down Russia's supply chain from boats, trains or trucks, leaving less resources to reach the front line for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.